Hello, how is everyone doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, happy weekend. I hope everyone is having fun. But anyway, you are in my kitchen, and guess who is here to help us cook up some delicious delicacies? The one and only Lola.
Hey guys, Lola Ijelenwa is here. Akanesibe African dishes in America.
Akanesi every ngongos. All things ngongwo, you know. She's not into jollof. No. Everything traditional. You know, the ones that our forefathers used to eat. Those ones is what Lola Ijelenwa is bringing back. Okay,
yes,
talk about, you know, isiewu from scratch. Talk about what are they? What are they?
Nkwobi. Fio.
Uwa. Today she's making
what?
What are you making today?
Okpa
Enugu.
Enugu.
Authentic.
Authentic. See the okpa here?
Yes, when last did you eat okpa from Enugu? Not anyhow okpa, not the one you buy from Onitsha and Lagos. No. This is the
okpa night mine.
Yes.
Enugu.
Yes. Yes,
So girls, let's start. Akugo, you'll be alarmed though. Let's start. Let me show you all the ingredients I'm gonna use here. This is okpa. The ground one, I will put it in this bowl before I can start turning it. This is pepper, red pepper, salt is inside there, and only one piece of maggi. Okay, this is the pot I'm gonna use. So melt this. This is palm oil, right? Akugo. Palm oil. This is Ghana palm oil. This is the inside. Then I will divide it into half, put it in a pot, put water, and cook it to boil a little bit. Okay, this is foil. I'm gonna use foil and the pan. Do you know? I'm not even cooking the okpa. I'm baking it. Have you tasted the baked one? It's so yummy. So that's what I will teach you guys today. Okay? So wait for it. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm done mixing it up. Okay? See the outcome. Make sure after mixing it, make sure it's like water. Don't make it to be thick, because it's not gonna be good after you're done cooking okpa. Okay, so see the outcome. So I will start putting it in the foil. This is the foil. I will start putting it there and put it in the pan. So after that, I will put hot